When repairing damaged wiring, or when adding electrical accessories, using the proper tools and professional connectors will ensure a neat and safe wiring job that will look good on both classic and modern cars. This ratchet crimping tool from Laser Tools and the Delphi connector kit from Connect Consumables will give you the results that you require. The kit includes everything you need to assemble moisture-resistant Delphi connectors. And the Laser Tools crimping tool is also designed for Delphi connectors. Once the insulation has been stripped, choose the correct die for the size of wire from the two sets provided with the crimping tool. The dies slot straight in and are held securely by the tool. The silicone rubber seals are fitted first. Push them over the wire and line up with the edge of the insulation. Then fit the metal pin connector to the crimping tool. The ratchet action will hold it securely. There are two clamps on the pin connector. The larger clamp fits over the silicone seal. The smaller clamp will crimp directly onto the exposed wire. Just one crimping action is necessary to professionally crimp the pin to both the silicone seal and the wire. Once all the pins are crimped, they are simply pushed into the body of the connector. And then the plastic locking tab is snapped into place. The male pins are assembled and crimped in the same fashion, and the Delphi connector is assembled by simply pushing both halves together. The result is a professional, moisture-resistant connection. A terminal removal tool is also included with the ratchet crimping tool, which makes light work of disassembling the connectors.